Hello there! In today's video, I am taking you guys with me to the ultimate destination for home organization. We are at the Container Store and they have everything you could possibly need for your home organization, from your kitchen to your office to your closet to your garage. I couldn't possibly show you everything in this video, but we are going to take a look at a few items that caught my eye. When I entered the store, my eye was automatically drawn to this section of stylish kitchen organization solutions. The Container Store has partnered with organization guru Marie Kondo to come out with the KonMari line, and these pieces are absolutely beautiful. The styling is very clean and minimal, but they would fit into a number of different decor styles. This range includes a very beautiful, very fresh take on the traditional berry colander. With its sleek and minimal design, this would look just as beautiful on your countertop as in your refrigerator. And this ceramic and bamboo egg tray is absolutely stunning. You won't want to hide that in your refrigerator. This line also includes these beautiful chocolate drawer inserts that are definitely a refreshing change from the typical golden bamboo drawer inserts. If you are looking for storage canisters for your kitchen, this is the place to come. They have every type of canister you could possibly imagine, from glass to ceramic and all different sorts of lids, different styles from modern to traditional. I particularly like these canisters, which are the modular glass canisters, and I love the shape and I love that they combine glass and bamboo. These canisters are also stackable for easy storage and use. It's unbelievable the number of different styles and sizes of canisters that they carry. And keep in mind that canisters do not have to be restricted to use in the kitchen. You can use canisters for storage all throughout your home. If you need plastic storage for your pantry or for lunches or for leftovers, there is no shortage of options at the Container Store. They have so many storage pieces for you to choose from that would work really great in your kitchen, including these little pieces that I think are perfect for things like leftovers or sending in school lunches. The Container Store doesn't only carry storage solutions, they also carry other items that just make your life simpler. It's nice to go into one place and have all of these options right at your fingertips, from things like dish storage to knife blocks. They have a wide selection of these clear plastic trays, which have become really popular in the last few years. They have all different sizes, different shapes, a turntable, and labels that you can customize to fit any of these products. I was actually at the store this day to look for a few pieces for my bathroom. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video on my bathroom and how I elevated it, and I was looking for really pretty storage pieces for those odds and ends that we like to leave out on the counter or in the vanity or on a shelf. As I was looking, I came across all of these acrylic storage pieces that you can use for makeup or cotton balls, Q-tips. There are so many different options. They've got little drawers, they've got these little canisters, so many different things that you can use to personalize your space. They also have these inserts that you could use in your bathroom or in your bedroom. You actually could use them in any number of ways, but they come in these different colors. This beautiful, beautiful blush and rose gold. They're called stackers, and you can use them in many different ways and arrange them however you need them. I really like this dimpled glass tray because it reminded me of sea glass. The color and the texture were all very beautiful. There is something for everyone in that they have different styles in pretty much every department. I ended up purchasing 2 of these larger canisters and 1 of the small canisters. I love these because they are acrylic. They look glass, they're really pretty, really clear, but I don't have to worry about whether or not anyone's gonna get hurt if they get knocked over. I was really drawn to these white lacquered pieces that I think are so beautiful. I love a really fresh, clean aesthetic, and these are perfect for that. I picked up a couple of these pieces to use for things like my earrings and my hairpins, and I am really, really loving them. I even picked up one of these trays to put my paper towels in the bathroom. I'm gonna have to go back and get a longer one. The one that I got was a little too short. As I was walking through the store, I spotted lots of really pretty, really brightly colored children's organization that could be used in so many different ways. I also noticed that they carry travel storage solutions and gear. But I was off to find their baskets. They have a really big selection of baskets and containers and bins. If you have anything that you need to stash away or that you want to organize in plain sight, a basket is the great way to go because you can tuck things inside of them, especially lidded baskets like this. I love a basket with a nice lid. That is a wonderful organization piece, something that's going to look great while containing the mess. They had plastic baskets, fabric baskets, woven baskets, metal baskets, clear baskets, every type of basket that you could imagine they carry. And all of these baskets can be used in rooms throughout your home. And then there were the bins. There were bins of all different sizes, black and white and gray, and they could be stackable. Some of them were modular and there were labels to go on the bins. Just being in this store made me want to organize my life down to the smallest detail. And seriously, even if you aren't going to be shopping right now or purchasing anything, I would definitely recommend going into one of the stores and just taking a look at what they have and getting some inspiration. And I know a lot of us could use some inspiration when it comes to organizing our closet. I really love these KonMari hangers, and I think they are so beautiful. They are sleek, they are minimalist, and something like this would make it a pleasure to organize your closet because you have something that is beautiful to look at, so it's not just functional. These hangers are also carried in black, and they also have coordinating drawer organizers and bins. Lack of shoe storage is something that many of us deal with, and the Container Store had so many solutions. Like this set of 2 stacking shoe racks, this is something that would definitely save space and keep your closet very organized. I have definitely noticed that when you have a proper place for your shoes, it keeps them looking better for a much longer time. So it is definitely well worth the investment to buy products that are going to keep your shoes well organized so that they're not tossed in a heap on top of each other. They don't get scratched up. They will maintain their shape if they are stored properly. And it's for that reason that I really love these oak wood boot racks that they have. They have different racks that hold different amounts of boots. And I think that they are well worth the price, given that they are going to extend the life of your boots. When I buy boots, I'm not buying for one season typically. I want those boots to last. They also carry a number of different shoe racks and shoe boxes that make your shoe storage a breeze. If you're looking to truly transform your closet, the Container Store offers beautiful closet systems like this one here, which is so gorgeous. And these systems work beautifully with their other storage solutions. I asked the saleswoman why someone would choose to buy from the Container Store versus IKEA when it comes to closet systems, and she told me that the Container Store closet systems are totally movable. They don't have to be installed into the walls, and that the frames are all metal. So before we leave the store, I just had to show you guys just how large of a selection of hangers they have. They have so many hangers. They have boxes of hangers. They have brightly colored hangers. They have boxes of brightly colored hangers. Just so many things available here to help you organize your home and make it run as efficiently as possible. Please take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as usual, thank you so much for being here. Until next time.